pumping.
Coffee coming like a rapture.
And everybody get captured.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog.
And everybody gets flew.
Oh. And you don't know you're gonna make a Skylife in the building. Yo! And what did then? Guys, in today's video, right now mama gonna make some apple juice. Shoot what was. One on the time in. Come on, what's a linger around here so? Mama gonna make some apple juice. And you're gonna see that now. I'm actually gonna try the apple juice. She actually make it intro after. So I'm gonna try the apple juice now until you know it tastes amazing. So guys, we're making
Apple.
what are we making, mama?
Apple juice. Apple. So these are the apple.
Slice them up. And what else you gonna put on it?
Ginger. See the ginger.
Ginger, what else? It's supposed to refresh it and it cool.
Yeah. Make it.
Give me one apple.
Make it, huh?
Apple.
You
O
can
T E T
heat,
apple.
see there. You can heat and you can make nice juice. Refreshing and nice. Natural juice. Natural apple juice this. Not the fake one.
I don't like American apple at all.
I don't like it neither.
I don't eat it, no.
I don't like it how it is. It tastes how weird. This is a favorite Jamaican apple. This are you just get it off of the tree. So when you pick it, when you cut it up, you blend it out. You mix it with your sugar and put it in the fridge. More. And it's juicy. And piece. What it?
Thank you.
So see,
Juicy.
come around this side. Yeah, juicy. But you have to add water to it and go blend.
So you cut up here,
Yeah.
put in a blender.
Put in the blender. You make some beetroot for Punki too.
You make beetroot today?
For just so one little bit me do me.
So you might see how to make beetroot juice too.
One more.
They have machine what grind out here. But me not like this one. Me like great height and blend from it.
So you add
Water.
much ground 1.5 liter water. Put on a cover. Blend. No, look at it. Kitchen towel.
Yak and a yak.
Then you're gonna strain it. Get out the trash. Thank you.
It's a natural apple juice.
What do you eat? That's your name, no, mama?
What?
What do you eat the apple? Karen, look how we scared up.
Okay.
So does it squeeze out the juice?
Squeeze out the juice, rub out the juice.
Yeah. How is more juice than that?
Like it's still there.
Pull up again. I don't like I eat off one.
No,
Where you get apple from? Apple the pan tree?
No, up with the funny, but the bird them not allow it. The lady can't listen to it. This next to me is open.
little woman. Mama don't lang tayo. Kuya don't lang tayo.
You see, if you have the red fruit juice, not in Melissa, the red fruit juice, tin juice, then have one tin
Fruit
one
punch.
juice, a fruit punch in a tin, and you mix it with it. Wow. You know what if you done. What can I want that? This is natural apple.
So all I go do after this, add the ginger
Yeah.
and put it in cool.
And sweeten it with little sugar. And put it in cool.
Mama.
Yes.
Me eat ginger. Give me ginger to eat.
You put the ginger straight. After you wash them off, you just put them in there with the
The cap want it strong.
the thing.
Because
the
me the
skin.
world, yeah, me the wash it,
Mm-hmm.
put it in there. So me the go ahead and
Mama just
look like this juice now. Chop.
Okay, pan the ginger.
Yes.
You not add no more water.
No, me want the natural juice.
Okay.
Right? Too much water no, make it weak. This is natural juice.
How for this juice a punki?
No sir for me. Punki a beetroot me dog here.
Guys, make sure you get all that juice out of the trash. Some people probably scrape the ginger before because they don't want it as strong.
Because, yeah. But when the ginger, them not strong, so you blend it.
Ginger, them whatever make a
Because when you wash it, because some of the big one, them, when you wash it, when you scrape it, no, not all, say a ginger.
No, all funny.
No, it's not strong.
Mama, you throw out the ginger.
No.
Yucky.
You smell the ginger? You smell it how it's strong?
Yes.
Okay. You know, ginger. Everything is straight now.
Smell strong for too, mama. Smell good too.
Maybe this strong.
You go sweeten or you go cool it first?
Now, so me sweeten it and put it on make it cool.
So the next step is mama is gonna sweeten this, then put it to cool. I'm not sure if you're gonna see me.
What you say?
No. I don't sure if they're gonna see me when I taste it. Or me can taste it. Ice in our fridge.
Ice in the fridge.
So what are you gonna use to sweeten it?
Sugar.
Only?
Yeah. Ginger in there.
No, some people use like ginger syrup.
Yes, some people use ginger syrup or milk and something, but me no want nothing.
Mama, you know, I want to show them how to make sauce-up juice.
Sauce-up?
Yeah. You know, they're my favorite. That
You can blend it, you can, when you blend it, I don't like when it blend.
I don't want the blend one, I want the
The one natural.
Yes.
Like the blend up one neither.
Yuck. I'm joking.
So mama don't necessarily use measurement. She just eyeball it. She just know the correct formula.
Because we don't want it well sweet.
No.
You have to just refresh it.
Yes.
Let me talk to Skylife.
What you say?
Talk to Skylife.
So guys, mama sweeten it now. And I'm going to taste it with ice.
Come on, dear.
Because it's not going to be cool as yet.
Yeah, go get ice.
And tell her how it tastes and tasting.
Yeah, go get ice. See it? See it? You see it?
Right.
Mm.
So guys, now going to taste mine.
Not strong.
You know strong?
No.
Now going to taste mine. Now put on my wig and come back. You sure it.
Wow. Nice.
Let me go on this side.
Come on this side.
So my juice is being served. Served.
See, they make it so
Thank
tasty.
you. Let me turn around the camera. This is juice. Let it go on.
This is refreshing,
I'm not taste it. I'm not taste it now. Tastes nice. Oh. You like it? What you give it? A thumbs up? Will you give it a thumbs up? There we go. So, thumbs up. You start making beetroot already? You start making beetroot already? Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. It's a short little video. Mama's gonna make beetroot now. I'm gonna capture that for you. For everybody don't know how to make beetroot juice, they can know how to make beetroot juice and bake. Cook a bone. Beetroot juice and baking. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button. Show the love. Tastes good. Yeah. Apple juice. This not deal. One day you drink out of. It tastes good though. Refreshing and nice. Come sing it for me. Come sing it for me.
My man outside something. Man them big like pumping.
Where you for your hand? You're so white up. I sunscreen a squeeze out tie when kids.
I'm gonna squeeze up now.
So why you for your hand like that?
No squeeze up now.
Wipe off your hand, please.